just a picture of my cat to begin today's video. I have recently just came out with my Instagram and Snapchat. Make sure you add me on Snapchat and Instagram to get the latest gossip on my life, if that makes any sense whatsoever. Like, my life is pretty boring at the moment, but don't worry, my life will be action-packed very soon. So make sure you add me. You can contact me, message me, whatever you want. Many of you have been trying to message me on Snapchat and Instagram, which is absolutely amazing. Snapchat is getting quite busy, and so is Instagram. So yeah, so just be aware of that. Before I begin, I just have to give so many shoutouts to some of my amazing, fabulous family members. Sorry I couldn't fit all of you. I would love to fit 1,000 of you onto one page, but I really can't. There's just not enough time, no space. Like, some people are throwing shoes at me as I say this, but anyway. So here is my Snapchat squad, my Instagram squad, and my early squad. Thank you guys so much for joining all the squads. You are literally all amazing, and I couldn't be here without you guys, so thank you guys so much. Many people are throwing their computers at me because I take too long for an intro, so guys, I'm really sorry. I have to make this quite short. Just remember, if you do want a shout out, just message me on my social medias and I'll give you a shout out. So guys, as you all know, I will be giving a shout out of the video. So from this time, I'm going to be giving a shout out from Younow. So here's the shout out from Younow. It's called Galactic Slimy. Thank you so much for your amazing support on Younow, on YouTube, everywhere basically. She has been there for me, and I've also went on a live video with her on Younow. So just thank you so much, all of you. You're a huge inspiration to me. Just thank you so much. And if you'd like me to give you a shout out, my next video, a potential shout out of the video, all you have to do is add me on all my social medias and then just message me, and then I will give you a shout out. If you add me on Younow and donate or tip me, I think it is, I don't know, then I will give you a main shout out as well. I will be doing Younow shout outs as well, so there's huge amounts of chances to get shout outs. Honestly, I love you all so much, and I couldn't be here without you, so thank you. Make sure if you guys enjoyed today's video to go back to my channel, watch my very simple no glue, no borax slime tutorial. You don't need any glue and it's no borax, so it's so easy, even a baby could do it. Like, get your cat to help you with this. It's so easy and you'll have so much fun. And once you watch that video, you want to go pole dancing with your family. Yes guys, the new giveaway is out right now. So this is how you enter to have a chance to win the iPhone X. So the first thing you have to do is like today's video. Then what you have to do is comment why you want to win. And then what you have to do is share the video with at least 5 friends. And then guys, follow my Instagram, Peter Kiriakou. And then what you have to do is subscribe to my channel to become an AF member, which stands for amazing, fabulous family member, okay? And then obviously turn on post notifications, and then done. Good luck, everyone. Just before we begin today's video, guys, I really need your support. So if we could please stop the video, like the video right now. If you can all like or dislike, whatever it is, I need to know your opinions, guys, because your opinion does matter on YouTube. It 100% does. So whatever you're doing, stop what you're doing, throw your homework away, throw your chair out the window, like the video or dislike the video right now. Oh my god, my table is so dirty. I mean, like, you guys must think I'm absolute tramp. Oh my god. Okay, let's just clean this up, and then I can do my intro. I am such a fail at YouTube. Like, who am I? Okay, hey guys. I'll just edit that out. Hopefully no one could see this. Yeah. La la la. La la. No. Oh my god, is it recording? No, I don't think it is. Okay, it's fine. Okay, it records. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a no glue, no borax, no air, no water, no glue, no lotion. Basically you'll make it out of nothing, okay? So for today's video, all you'll need is some sugar, and you'll also need some bath gel. So sugar and bath gel, that is all you need, okay people? That is all you need. So guys, before we begin today's video, I would really appreciate if we could all smash that like button. Now, I don't mean to go and smash your window like one child did the other day. Like, excuse me child, I'm not promoting window abuse. Anyway, so I don't promote any type of furniture abuse, okay? So don't go around smashing your windows. But anyway, make sure to smash the like button. That is one thing I do promote. That is like abuse. Okay, so smash that like abuse, smash the like button, comment down below any suggestions you may have, share this video with your friends and family because they need to know about this recipe. Why am I clapping cards? Okay, 1 2 3, come on, let's go. 1 2 3, let's go. What? Okay, no, that's okay. No, okay, back to the video. So you'll need a container, sugar thing, and yeah, let's get straight into today's tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making a no glue, no borax, no air slime video. So the first thing you want to do is grab a filthy, dirty, stinky container. I found mine in the streets. I'm sure you can find yours easily on your floor. Okay, and the next ingredient that you'll need is some bath or, I think this is shower gel. So I'm using bath gel, guys. So yeah, so the first thing you want to do is take your mum's bath gel and just put it in your dirty container that you found on the street. Now you're just going to fill up to the top. That's what I'm going to do personally, because basically this is a fresh new bath gel that my mum bought from, I think it was Spencer's, okay? No sponsor, no, yeah, I wish I was sponsored, but I'm not, so, you know, yeah, don't sue me, Mark Spencer's. Anyway, so you're just gonna fill up to the top because your mum bought it fresh and you want to waste her ingredients on slime that you don't even know will work. And then what you're gonna do is grab some sugar that you stole from the kitchen, and then you're gonna add it into this solution. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to stir this. Now, this actually helps it to thicken it up. I don't know if it actually works, but I just read it online that it actually helps thicken up the mixture. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. I just mix up for a good like 2 minutes or something, and then I just, yeah. And then what you're gonna do is a little bit of sugar. Now guys, I actually dropped the whole package in here. I am so sorry guys, I actually failed my whole life, oh my god. But this wasn't actually not intended, guys, but I'm actually going to actually guys, I'm so sorry I can't talk today, but anyway, so let's carry on. So now take your pencil and do some satisfying ASMR, you know, to soothe your nerves. Now I'm actually gonna do this just because I was so stressed, yeah, so I'm just gonna do some satisfying ASMR for you guys, but I actually had music in my background, so you can't actually listen to this, so yeah, otherwise I will get copyright, and yeah. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna stir this all in, so mix all your sugar in with all your bath gel, and then see what it looks like. It should look very murky and unclear, but then what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take this disgusting mixture and we're gonna put it, chuck it, literally throw it in your freezer for about 10 to 15 or 20 minutes. Since this is very, very thick, we have to leave it for a bit longer, okay? So that's one disadvantage, guys. So make sure if you want to, you know, make a very fast slime, just include a little bit of ingredients. Don't add too much, otherwise you will have to wait a long time. You have to wait a few years for your slime to freeze. So now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just gonna chuck this in the freezer, and then I'm gonna watch some Netflix, and then I'm gonna come back. So yeah, so this is what it should look like. Go chuck it in the freezer, clean your surface, you dirty person, and then yeah. Hey everybody, I am back from the freezer now. I actually had to put another container, so guys, don't worry, you don't need your eye test. There are 2 containers here just because, guys, the other container actually broke in the freezer. I don't even know how that happened, but it broke, so it was leaking, and then I was like, oh my god. So I put another container on the bottom, and then yeah, let's hopefully see if this is slime. I'm not sure if it actually is, you know, spoiler. I don't think this worked because it was leaking all over the place, but let's just see what happened. I think it was because I added too much sugar, but anyway, let's just see. So, moment of truth. Moment of truth, we'll use this side of the pencil. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's actually very, very thick. Wait, I think it worked. I think this worked. Let's carry on stirring it, and then, yeah. Can I just say, guys, this is so sticky because of the sugar. Okay, now let's see. I'm actually going to take it out of the other container. It's not really leaking, but, yeah. Okay, let's see. Okay, zoom in. Okay, let's see. Oh. Okay, I would say this is a fail and a success. So the success is in the consistency of the product. It's still slime-like. That's the only thing that I like about it. But the bad thing about this is that it's not, you know, pokey. You do get a little bit of a pokey sound, as you can see. Wait, listen. No, you don't get anything. So, I don't know. Actually, I think this is a fail. Guys, this is actually a fail. No. I am not going to cover your back, sister. So, I don't think this was a success, just because it has no pokey sounds, and it's just horrible. So, guys, if you have any other suggestions, leave them down below. So, this was actually a suggestion from Shira, something like that. You're in the comments, aren't you? Yeah. So, I actually, go to the comments, guys, and I actually see all your comments, and I reply to most of you, and I also follow all the recipes you leave down below. So make sure to leave some recipes down below, and I'll be sure to test them out on one of my future videos. Okay, so this was the sugar and bath gel. It did not work, sadly, so yeah. That's all I have. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below any suggestions you may have. Make sure to check out my slime shop down below. It's called Petite C Slimes, and I have so many slimes, so let me just show you very quickly. So, apple, cherry, floams, everything really. And then over there we have huge ones. Yeah, we have a lot, okay, guys? So make sure to check out the links down below, guys. All the links are down below, so just check them all out. And I'm also having a slime giveaway. Go to my previous video to check out that slime giveaway. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. Really, guys, hope you enjoyed. And if you did, you know what to do. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys, and thank you so much for watching.